In this video, I'm going to show you how to import data from other browsers in 1Password. So you want to go ahead and first log into your admin console, then click your account on the upper right hand side and choose import data. Here you'll have a bunch of different browsers that you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose Chrome as an example. So I choose Chrome, and from here you want to go ahead and click and continue. Now choose whichever vault you want to. So let's say those are passwords. I can choose that, then click and continue. And from here, you want to upload the CSV file from your browser. Now, if you don't know how to get those CSV files, you can easily go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side in your browser, then go down to where it says settings, and from here, click on passwords and autofill. Here you'll be able to click on the Google Password Manager and you will be able to find all of those passwords right here. Now you may be wondering how can I export my passwords from Google Chrome? You can do this by clicking on settings here, as you can see on the left side, and scroll down on this page, and here you'll find the option to export passwords. You can click on download and it's going to download CSV file for you, and you'll be able to save that CSV file. So here you can see it says Microsoft Excel, comma, separated values file. Click and save. For example, I'm going to choose, for example, the downloads folder, click and save. And so right here, you can see that I can go ahead now and save the file. And so what you would do here in this case is to go to this section here, back into 1Password, and now choose that CSV file, then click on open, and you'll be able to click next and proceed to upload those passwords. And that's all that you have to do, guys.